how to change Google Keyboard and GBoard with input sensitivity on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Keyboard. After click on Keyboard, click on GBoard. And after click on GBoard, click on second option, Preference. After click on Preference, scroll down and search link input sensitivity. Click on input sensitivity. After click on input sensitivity, if you want to change input sensitivity, you will change high, low and medium from here. After change, will click input sensitivity, click on OK, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change Google Keyboard and GBoard link input sensitivity on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.